this website can make you anywhere between $100 to, it depends, because you may find that the surveys they pay a little, let's say $0.5. You see, they're paying 5 cents to some surveys, $1 to some surveys, but you can see their last month rewarded users. Last month they rewarded users of $1 million, right? $1.3 million, and you can see that it's something that you need to work on it. Just it's these are for beginners, and first thing, you need to have a proxy. The link in the description below, I've linked where you can find the proxy, where you can find the best browser you can connect the proxy to, so that you can actually browse on these websites, and then you can actually create an account. It's easy, it's not hard. Create an account and get paid on this website. So first thing, I've stated that it's only available in the US, so you must need to have a US proxy. Create an account using a US email, and then now start working on the account. You'll need a PayPal account, and let me show you how the inside the account looks like. So this is how the accounts, the dashboard of the account. You can see that you can play games and earn way more, but playing these games is a little bit hard because they will need you to reach a certain level, and how they will actually pay you is that inside these games there are certain ads that will pop up. There are certain ads that will pop up when you're playing those games. So you'll see that some ads, they are unskippable ads. Let's say a 30-second ad. So you see that reaching that level will be much harder. You can play even for a whole week those games so that you can reach that target. Okay, you reach that target so that you can be paid. So, but you can see whenever you're playing that game, all along you'll be seeing ads on those games. Okay, when you're playing. So that's how you'll get paid this amount of money. All right. So yeah, whenever you're playing these games, it's Android games, maybe iOS games, and you need to make sure you connect the proxy to your phone before you go and actually download those games, because you may not be paid when you play those games. And let's say the proxy leaks, or just make sure that your phone is connected to a proxy or a VPN to max your location, so that you get rewarded this amount of money. Besides that, you can see here there are surveys. You can click on the survey button, and you can see some other surveys they pay you $1, some other surveys they'll pay you $0.6, and this one will pay you 1.5. So you can see you can take as much surveys so that you can actually reach that point where you can actually at least withdraw like $20, $30, $50 as a beginner. So that's how the cash kick accounts work, and they have giveaways, and they have a lot of things. Okay, so you can see the first prize is $100, so you can come and participate in these things, and yeah, at least get a chance to win something. Or yeah, it's a good account. Okay, you can go and create an account and try your luck as a beginner. For those who love to play games, go and try these games as a way of you're doing your, let's say you like playing video games or mobile games. Just first of all, come and create an account on CashKick, and then make sure your phone, if you're not in the US, let's say you're from other countries, make sure your phone is connected to a VPN Then after connecting the VPN, you can go and look for the games they want, whichever game you want to play, and then just playing for fun, just play it for fun, and you may end up seeing that you actually you are rewarded this amount of money. So that's how you apply those tricks. Don't just be downloading these games and just playing it for free without even getting paid. So actually go to this site, look for games like this one, word puzzle. Whenever you reach a certain level, you will be paid $110. This game I've played before, and it's actually fun to play, and you can try. Yeah, so try your best, try your luck. You need to have a proxy. In my description I've shown you where to get a proxy, and make sure to leave us to subscribe to the channel, because I'll be making more videos like this explaining how these accounts work and how you'll get paid, and turn on the notification so that you don't miss out on anything. And if you are in need of any services, you can reach me out on my the link to my WhatsApp is on the description. So guys, I'll see you next time.